Mom? How much is my life worth?
Take the stone and find out how much it's worth. And when you're done, return home. I'll enter that special question for you.
Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me how much this is worth?
I don't know, little man. I'll give you a banana for it.
I love your enthusiasm, kid, but we don't need one of these in our collection now.
This gem you have here is the most perfect gem I've ever seen. To me, it appears priceless.
How much is it actually worth?
People will value you based on their point of view, their level of information, and their belief in you. But that doesn't change the fact that you are priceless.